Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. I'm just walking around my Kohl's in surprise and just found this candy and it's on clearance, so we have to try it. Got jelly bean sour, fruit bowl, some Valentine's candy, Jelly Belly gummies, which look really, really good. I've got $10 Kohl's cash, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna get. And this thing smells so good. I know it's destroyed, but it smells delicious. And then look at these, donut flavored jelly beans. Are you kidding me? Can't wait to eat this stuff. Time to try the first one. These are sour gummies Jelly Belly. Super excited to try these. These were $1.49. And they have sour lemon, sour berry, sour cherry, sour orange, and sour green apple. And they're vegan. This is what they look like. Let's try it. I think this is the cherry. A little sour. Lemon's a lot more sour. These are so good. They're like airy. I could eat this whole bag. Try sour green apple. I'm pretty into that. And the blue one is sour berry. And I think I tried the orange again. These are really, really good. I think it's a tie between the sour lemon and the sour green apple for the best flavor. Time for candy number 2. We've got some Jelly Belly Jellyfish Chewy candies. Now I love Swedish fish, so maybe they're gonna taste something like Swedish fish. They come in flavors. We have orange, cherry and green apple, and lemon. Lemon was good in the last candy, so let's try this one first. That's okay. Orange, they're quite chewy. They are kind of the texture of Swedish fish. Cherry's good. Green apple is definitely the best though. Really good, the green apple flavor. Here's green apple, the best one. Time for the normal sour ones and then the original gummies. They look pretty tasty. Definitely sour. Now I've got just the original gummies. They come in a bunch of different flavors. That's really good. That was lemon. Orange is orange. Berry cherry, berry blue, and green apple. That's the best one, again. All of these are really good. I really like the sours. They are actually quite sour. And of the gummies, the green apple is definitely the best flavor. And we've got the last 2 candies to try. We have the Jelly Belly Krispy Kreme donut flavored jelly beans. And we have the Fruity Pebbles Easter Bunny, which, I mean, it's from Easter and it's probably destroyed and super old, but it's not expired yet. So let's try it. It smells like heaven. I just wonder how it got broken. I mean, it's quite the shape. I guess I'm assuming that this is gonna taste like milk. Looks good. Holy cow. That's amazing. Amazing. You cannot have any. Now we're gonna try these donuts. They have cinnamon apple filled, strawberry iced, glazed blueberry cake, original glazed, and chocolate iced with sprinkles. Okay, let's first find a strawberry. Okay, they're hard to tell what's what. Here is that one. That I believe is cinnamon. Oh yeah, that's good. Chocolate with sprinkles. Tastes very like cocoa powdery. I mean, it does taste like a chocolate with sprinkles donut. Maybe I just don't like it because I don't like chocolate donuts with sprinkles on them. And this is a glazed donut. Now we have to try them like the whole world does. That's a party in your mouth. And they taste like donuts. Like legit. Tastes like there's donut in my mouth. Now while those are good, and everything else we tried was good, this blew every other thing out of the water. I mean, I paid $1.74 for this, but I would totally spend $4.99 on this. I mean, that is crazy good. And to me, I mean, it does taste like milk. The ingredients just say white coating. So I don't know if it's supposed to taste like milk, but to me, it tastes like milk and cereal. So good. Well, if you liked watching me buy some and try some clearance candy, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.